Hi everyone. In this presentation, I will be demonstrating my Excel-based data analysis for assessment 4, which focuses on applying business analytics and business intelligence techniques using a real-world data set. I here briefly walk through the data set, key pivot table analysis, correlation and regression finding, and then finally conclude with insight and recommendation derived from the analysis. Here, let's move to begin with the dataset used in this assignment. As you can see in the Excel file, which I have shared here, it contains sales transaction data, including product, collections, net revenue, store ID, country, city, pricing variable, different pricing variable, customer age, and revenue related attribute. And the most important part here I have done is I have separately included purchase month, delivery days, and net revenue to make the analysis more accurate. Now let's move to the pivot table analysis section. So let's begin with the bar chart. Here, first here, the top 10 collection by net revenue in the bar chart has been highlighted. Where the which product collection contribute the most to overall revenue has been shown. This shows that a small number of collection account for a significant portion of total sales, indicating key revenue drivers for the businesses. Next, let's move to the line chart. Here, the monthly net revenue trend is being shown in the given line chart that visualizes revenue performances over time. From this chart, we can observe fluctuation across the months. So here you can see August 2025, the sum of net revenue has been around 2,500, and then July it gone down to 2,100, which is being shown here. So that suggests that the possible seasonal demand patterns and variation in customer purchasing behavior. Now let's move to the order status analysis. So here it is like the order count by purchase channel has been shown that compares order volume across event booth, online, and store channels. This pivot table and chart overall show that online and store channels generate higher order volumes compared to event booths, while also revealing the presence of cancel and return order, which impact overall performances. Now moving to the next Excel file, which is correlation analysis. So the correlation matrix examines relationship between key numeric variables such as discount, tax amount, total price, net revenue, quantity, unit price, and customer age. The analysis here in the correlation output, which I have generated in the separate new worksheet from the correlation sheet. So here you can see the analysis has shown a strong positive correlation between quantity, total price, and the net revenue, which is not negative. So we confirm that higher purchase volumes directly increases revenue. Discount shows a weak negative relationship with revenue, while customer age has almost no correlation, indicating that spending behavior is not strongly age dependent. So now let's move to the regression sheet. Here, in this sheet, I have performed a multiple linear regression analysis to predict total price using quantity, unit price, discount, tax amount, and customer age. So similar to correlation output, here is the regression output in different new worksheet. So the model here achieved a high R-squared value of approximately 0.96, indicating a strong model fit. Quantity, unit price, and the tax amount was statistically significant prediction of total price, while customer age was not significant. Hence, this confirms that pricing and purchase volume are the main driver of revenue rather than demographic factor. Here you can see, as I mentioned, here the R square is around 0.963. That result to the positive quantity, unit price, and the tax amount, while we can see the discount is minus 0.07. So now let's move to the dashboard section. So here in the dashboard, I have provide a high level business overview by combining key performance indicator and visual analysis. It includes total net revenue, total order, total average order value, and return rate, allowing decision maker to quickly access overall performances. Now moving to the further analysis, here I have done further analysis in order to highlight that return and cancel order contribute to potential revenue loss, reinforcing the need for improved order fulfillment and customer satisfaction strategies. Now let's move to our last sheet, which is the insight section. Here we have mentioned the key insight and the recommendation. Furthermore, to conclude, this analysis demonstrates how Excel can be effectively used for business analytics and decision support. The findings suggest focusing on top performance collections, optimizing discount strategies, strengthening online and store channel, and reducing order return to improve profitability. That's my time. Thank you for watching.